Okay, hi Mom and Dad.
Hi.
Okay, Mommy, I just wanted to have you and Dad tell us about how we came to the U.S. and just that whole process and where you grew up if you can. So I don't know how you want to start, Dad.
Yeah, before we come here, we cannot stay. We don't want to come here first time. But anyway, as soon as they take over, the other party take over, the Communist Party take over our nation, we cannot stay. I work with United States government. That's what they look for very much. If they get me, they're lucky. So they're going to put me in a hard working camp. So I have to take the family, run away. And where I go, I work with United States, so I come to the United States. Yeah. Welcome us to come here. President Jimmy Carter welcome us first family to the United States. We appreciate that.
Audrey, be quiet, honey. No,
So we come over here, we take our kids here.
No, but how did you get here, Dad?
When we get here,
Yes.
we have to come through to.
Did you cross a river?
Cross the river. Then we pass to the Thai officer. They try to put us in jail, get whatever we have, the money or whatever. And after we finish that, they let us come to the refugee camp. In
Audrey.
Yeah.
Audrey, honey.
And then United States officer, they fire us over there who work with United States government. They fire us over there and they put us in the list and propose to the United Nations. They have authority to bring us over here to United States. And we also have a chance to go to France and Australia, Many countries welcome us too because we work for the other government. They appreciate what we do in Laos. Before, I am not work for Laos only, but Vietnam, Cambodia, and other free nations as well, Yeah. So I kind of have a responsibility a lot over there, At least I handle $1.5 million a month.
Yeah. So after we crossed the Mekong River to Thailand, how long did we stay in Thailand in the camp, refugee camp?
9 months and about 9 months, yeah, about 9 months.
So
usually they said couple years, but only 9 months because I work highly position in United States government in Laos, so they have to take me away, or else I may be something happen over there for me,
So 1976 is when we went to the refugee camp?
Cross the river, yeah. 1977, we come here.
Yeah, because I was born in 1975, so.
You're very young, yeah. Kind, because our family kind of very poor after we something happened in Laos. We have no job and everything changed too fast. So good thing we crossed the river and about a month we stay outside and we lost everything, the money, got everything. And, we don't have a single
Audrey,
dollars.
can you go sit down, please?
And then they let us go into the camp. If I still have money, they won't let us come in the camp. They have to, people, officer of Thailand, they try to get everything what you have. That's all. Yeah. We come to Nong Khai before we go to camp. We have a very good friend over there. They make good friend to us and they give us clothes and they use clothes, and food and things like that. Mostly it's Chinese, Thai Chinese. They're very nice, very good. Yeah. A lot better than the Lao people over there who used to work with me and things like that. Yeah. They kind of see us like they don't care, when you see when they see us, they say we don't have nothing, so they don't want to be friends with us. Yeah. Only the new friend, the Chinese people, Chinese Thai. They give us help. They help a lot. Yeah, we need help. We cannot just stay alone, you know, kind of many times. Yeah, there's no help. It's problem. Yeah, a lot of problem. Many things. Yeah, a lot of people lost family, a lot of people lost their life, or their wife, their kid, you know. Kind of like that.
Okay.
Many things. I ever asked for one people asked me about my first daughter, you know, if I want to give them the daughter. I said, oh my God, so, no. If we go together, we die together, you know. Yeah. When you first get in the boat, you know, Malay the first one cried, I don't want to die, I want to die, Dad, I want to die. No, we have to go, we die together, you know. Yeah. Get across the river, about the middle of the river. One guy, I think, tried to turn the boat over. If the boat turned over, you know, I may save one or two kids, that's all, because they have to swim, you know. Kind of like that. If we give them the money first, they will turn the boat over. We won't get killed. But we don't give them the money. I hide the money in the bag. Money is from Uncle Tiu. Yeah, he said, you hide it. I have some, but you have some. He don't want to hide by himself. If I lost, you still have. If you lost, I still have. Inside, you know. And he have a gun too, a small gun. Good thing he have that. If he don't have that, we have problem. Yeah, they're going to turn the boat over anyway. And they're going to find the money bag by bag, something like that. So we lucky he have a gun. And he said, he have a gun, he in way back in the boat. Soon the boat hit the bank of the river, he just released all the bullet in the gun, threw away, and give them the gun, empty gun, you know. And that's it. Then we get into the bank, people come to take us, and we give them the money, what we have. And they take the money, like we pay somebody to get us cross the river. You know, but still not very safe.
Yeah.
Then we all pay them in there. That's
Yeah.
it. And we come to the
And was it people from Thailand that you paid?
yeah.
Yeah.
And then we don't go to the camp yet. We go to the people who sponsor us to cross the river. Those people who try to make money from us, you know, and get everything. They work with the Thai officer over there. They eat together. They pay together, you know. And after that, we finish. And then my friends, relative, friends, the Chinese people, Chinese, help us. They give us a room, wait until we get the paper to go to the camp. Before we go to the camp, we have to go through the court because we cross the river illegal. We have to go to court. The court put you in jail for a couple hours before they decide, okay, you're illegal. So I have to send you to the refugee camp. We cannot accept you. Thai government no policy to accept the refugee.
So how long do we have to stay in the refugee camp?
9 months after that.
Okay.
1 month outside the camp. We get in there 9 months, about 9 months. They said very quick 9 months, usually 2 years.
So how old was I then? Was I even one yet or no?
No. You see, yeah, about a year. I don't know, not a year yet. Yeah. 75, 76, 75, 76, only 1 year.
Yeah.
Yeah, only 1 year, yeah. Only 1 year. And your mom very sick during that time.
You only 1 and 2 months, 1 year and 2 months.
When we got to the camp?
Yes.
Okay. And then we were 9 months at the camp.
Yeah.
Okay.
10 ปีนะพอดีมาฮอด United States อยู่กัน 2 years old.
Yeah.
When you come here, Escondido, here, United States, you know, about Harry, you try to learn to talk, boo-ba, something like that. Yeah, I saw you
We're
the
2
hill.
years old.
Yeah, because we came September 28, 1977. So, okay.